I'm Matt Ogle, founder of S4A Group Limited, and we provide childcare and sports to children across Buckinghamshire. We run in 34 schools, and then we run wraparound care, PE, we run different in every school, so every day there's about 60 to 70 of our team out delivering sessions. So Buckinghamshire Business First has been with me probably for now 8-10 years. The advice at the start was imperative for me, understanding how to go from being a sole trader in a partnership to going off and running a limited company by myself, which was completely different, understanding how to run a business. We did the strategic growth planning day. That masterclass allowed us to really understand how to scale the business, how to put the foundations in place, and without that we would have really struggled to scale independently. We've had massive support from people like Jane over the years who have allowed us to grow. I can pick up the phone if I need to. I've got a mentor that I can speak to whenever I need to, and that's been massive for me being able to go to somebody and really support the growth of the business. Before I joined Buckinghamshire Business First, I felt like I knew what to do in business. Joining them showed me the bits that I didn't know and allowed me to really scale the business and evolve through proper support and mentoring, workshops. I can't recommend that highly enough.